Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your address in Temu app. You need to add your address if you want your stuff to be delivered to you. So to add your address, you open your app, click on You at the bottom. Now click on Addresses. Click on Add New Address. Here you have an option to add your first name, your last name, input your number, street address, apartment, building, and so on, which is optional. You select your state, city, and lastly your postal code. When you are done adding your address, you click on Save. So this is the address you'll be using to buy stuff on Temu. That's how you add address on Temu app. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.